In this video, I'll show you how to delete transaction history on PayPal and what's actually possible. First, the important thing to know is that PayPal does not give you a normal option to permanently delete completed transaction history from your account. Instead, PayPal's official help center says you can archive payments so they no longer show on your main activity page. To do that, open PayPal on the website, go to Activity, and select All Transactions. Find the payment you want to hide, then click Archive. If you ever want to see it again, open the Archive dropdown, choose Archived, find the payment, and click Remove from Archive. If your goal is privacy, archiving only hides the transaction from the main list. It does not erase the payment from PayPal's records. PayPal also says it keeps customer data for legal, fraud, and risk reasons, although you can request deletion of personal data where legally allowed. So, if you're trying to clean up your account, the real option is to archive old payments, not fully delete them. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.